Assalamualaikum, hello and welcome back to my another video. Those who are watching my video, I hope all of you are well and I'm also pretty well. Today in this video I would like to talk about issues and aspects of sociolinguistics. Before that, we have to know what is language. Language is the expression of idea by means of speech sound combined into word. It can also be said that language is a device to communicate meaning, feeling and intention. What is sociolinguistics? Sociolinguistics is the study of language in society. It studies relation between language and society, how social factors influence the structure and use of language, and how language is used in a variety in variable function. Dialect. The language of one society may differ from the language of another society. In case of vocabulary, pronunciation and grammar, it is called dialect. Hearing the pronunciation of a speaker, we can identify his or her locality. Dialect is a regional language. It is the corrupt form of the correct language. A dialect is spoken in a specific place by regional people. There are two types of dialect. One is social dialect, a variety associated with a particular social class. For example, Black English is the best known of American social dialect. Regional dialect. It is spoken by a particular group of people in a certain place. Next one is standard language. What is standard language? A language may have different dialects. It is found that gaining status, a dialect becomes the standard language. A standard language is simply another dialect. It is regarded as a proper language. How can a dialect become the standard language? There are some processes. There are four. First one is selection. A particular dialect has to be chosen to be developed into the standard variety. The dialect of ruling class or most influential class has to be chosen to be standard one. Next one is codification. Some agency like Academy for Bangla Language, Bangla Academy has composed to codify the selected one. In every dialect, every language has some grammatical books. It codify the language and it purify the language. Next one is elaboration of function. The standard language, the selected language should be used in a particular field like parliament, printing press, educational media, law, court, business, in everywhere. And the vocabulary is developed cultural, scientific and psychological development. Next one is acceptance. This is the last process. The selected dialect must to be accepted by the common people and gradually it will turn into a standard language in a country. What is a register? A register is a language speech variety by using particular group of people. There are some occupational group and they usually use their some specific words. Like lawyer, businessman and others and doctors. They have some particular vocabulary they use in their group people. BP anatomy are associated with doctors. Pidgin and Creole. Pidgin is a new language which developed in a situation where different languages exist, where different languages need to communicate but do not possess the common one. Diglossia. Diglossia is a situation where different languages exist side by side. One is H variety, another is L variety. Last one is bilingualism. The person who learn more than two languages, it's called bilingual, and people usually learn other language for their social or for their own development. And there are many people they are bilingual because they can speak more than 2 or 3 languages. That's all about the issues and aspects of sociolinguistics. Hopefully you have got my point. Thanks for watching. All the best.